today I'm going to show you how you can use this thing known as an iPod. Now, this is a type of cool thing. If you're going to use this, then you came to the right video, which will tell you how to use an iPod. Now, I am new to this iPod. This is the iPod Classic. And this was released back in September 2007. Now, for this video, we will show you how to use it. So this is going to be pretty cool. Now, to turn it on, you just press any of these buttons. Is about that. Now, pressing the menu button, like say we go on settings, just by clicking this OK button, it's sort of like the back button DVD player. It just takes you back. Nothing very easy. Now, the next part you're gonna have to understand. Now the thing now the backlit turned off. That's just like a power save. Then after like 10 seconds, but after a little bit longer, it'll show you like a certain clock so you can know time. Now, what you're seeing right now is a scroll wheel. So this is used for like scrolling, selecting whichever one you want. So you just want to play some music, you can just do that. Use the scroll wheel to help. Like seriously, there's like, this is somebody's iPod, but he or she let me use it, so I figured out all this. So there's shuffle songs. Now, you cannot unshuffle your songs. It's sort of like Rubik's Cube. There's like chances that you cannot solve it. Now, if you look at the top left, focus. Oops. So it'll say iPod, and what you're also seeing is the limited battery. So it's at like 25%, I think. But let's see the top. Now, first thing you're gonna notice is for this iPod is that when you get a look at the top, this is a certain switch. So this is used to like a lock. So watch this. Did you see that lock? So they like appear in no time. So to turn it on, just hold this button. So it's the play pause button. Let's focus on the button. So this is menu, takes you back. This is the OK button or the select button. This is fast forward or chapter forward. This is rewind or chapter back. This is the play pause button. It's also used to turn off your thing. So let's have this switch like do this. So I trying to press something like this OK button. Like you hear me, like you hear it clicking. I know you may not hear it, it's because of this fan. Now, let's just focus on more than just the buttons and the scroll wheel. There's lots of types of cool stuff in this as well. There's a headphone jack as well. So let me just turn that off. Let me see if I can find some headphones for this test. Let's see if this is correct. No, it's the NES controller. Alright, so if you've seen this video for like how to connect your NES properly, so like the classic edition, then you can check that out. You can view my YouTube channel page at the end of this video. So this is where you put your headphones. That doesn't seem to turn on the iPod though. And for this is for like something. Let me just see if I can find it. There we go. So this is for like charging your iPod, and also like adding removing stuff like music, photos, or whatever, all that jazz. So that's used for like charging your thing. Let me just see if I can. It's on the wrong direction. Alright. Alright. Now, this will allow it to charge. But while it's charging, let's go for more in this video. So, let's say you want to like do something else. So let's focus on more than just your music. So, alright, so here we go. Let me just move the direction of the camera. I know it's a start. You can see this sort of work job things. I am a fan of Minecraft. So how we're gonna go for this is that this is gonna be a very simple and important thing. So we're just gonna press menu, and so what you want to do is if you have an iPod, make sure you're on this part. You want to go on photos. I know that's not really good there. Press OK. Alright, so and then at this moment you want to view the photo, just press this OK button. That'll show it. Now if you want to do a slideshow, just press play pause and watch this. So watch closely. You see, so every 2 to 3 seconds, the photo changes. Now I'm just gonna get you out. Alright. So we're gonna go for videos. Now there's no video, there's nothing in this. There's nothing here though. See, there's nothing here. Alright, so the next thing we're going to focus is podcast. This is the only podcast that's on this iPod. We're going to go for the extras. So, we have clock. So, right now it's like 9:33 p.m. in San Diego, California, which is where I live. I don't know if that time is actually correct. But if you think this is correct, just let me know if that was correct. I'm not sure if it was, but we're just gonna keep that going. Alright. So the next thing we're gonna focus is calendars. So, let me just see if I can just scroll wheel. So so here it is. These are like old calendars. So right now, it's June 24th, or 2018. Okay. So we're gonna go back. There's a to-do list. There's nothing here though. Now, we're just gonna have you view this in case you don't have any though. Here's a quick look. Okay, so you have that look, then good job. Just have a high five or something. Or just give this video a like, or even subscribe. Or just click on that bell. And so, we're going to focus with alarms. So, what this does is that it just plays alarms. So that one's just off. So I had to turn that off since the show was shows beep. So you know about this? So that thing's been turned off. These are contacts. I don't know. There isn't any. There's alarms. We already know this. Yeah, that's all. And we have games. I'm not gonna really show the games though. Actually, I'll show you. So we have iQuiz. We're not gonna actually play these games though. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough time. We have iQuiz. We have Collision, which is sort of like Solitaire. And we have Vortex, which is sort of like Brick Breaker, I think. These are like, oh god. Come on, scroll wheel. Alright. Come on. These are notes. Instructions. Alright, we know how this works. Alright, we don't know. Alright. Screen lock. This is for like passcodes as well, I believe. This is sort of like a stopwatch, I think. Now, here are the settings. So this is like all the settings. There's like a certain like, you have clicker. So listen to this noise. You see, every time like this blue thing moves, it like plays a clicking sound, which I'm not sure about that. And for shuffling your songs, that just allows you to shuffle. Now, right now, there's a song called All That I Am. It's now playing, so it shows the song that's currently playing. If you're wondering what that'd be, then you could go for some of these songs. Now, if you guys want me to do a part 2, then let's get this video to 100 likes. We didn't go for that Angry Birds one, since we did that Minecraft thing that only older players remember. So, if you want me to do part 2, then let's get this video to 100 likes. Also, subscribe, click the bell button, and for more, so that you will not miss out. There are many, many, many more exciting stuff to experience. And so, be sure to subscribe, click the bell button, because so that you will not miss out on any cool stuff. There are many more exciting experiences and tours and gameplays with more than just an iPod or a computer or Rob or an NES. Or a fidget spinner, or this. So you don't want to miss out on any of this stuff. But then click the bell button and subscribe. So there are many more exciting stuff and tours and gameplays. And if you want to check out Club Penguin online, you can just go on clubpenguinonline.com. You can try out at the end, and you can just create your penguin and all you like, with any color, any name. Well, almost not every name be accessible. Some names can be taken. Your own password, your parent email, and you have the 1 moments of penguin. So if you want to waddle all around, meet all new people from around the world, then Club Penguin Online is the best.